Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. So just imagine you want to make a website. You have two popular choices in front of you. One is Webflow, another is Squarespace. Both can make beautiful website, but they are not exactly same. Now let us start with Webflow. But before we start the video, check the description below this video. I have added a special link. You will be benefited from that for Webflow and Squarespace. Okay, so let's start with Webflow first. Webflow is a website builder that gives you a lot of control over design. You can change almost every small details like the layout, the animation, the hover, the spacing, the colors. It is like having the power of coding without having to write all the code yourself. Many designers love Webflow because it feels like using professional design tools, but for a website. However, because it gives you so much control, it can make more time to learn. Now let us look at Squarespace. Squarespace is more beginner friendly. You start with a template which is like a ready-made design, and then you replace the text, the picture and the colors to make it your own branding. It is faster to get started and you don't have to think too much about small technical details. But because it is simpler, it also has fewer options for very advanced custom designs. So the main difference is that Webflow gives you more control, more freedom and more custom control. Squarespace is easier and faster for beginners. In this time, both Webflow and Squarespace have improved. Webflow has more templates and better tool for making responsive websites, which means websites that look good on phones, tablet and computers. Squarespace now has more customization option than before, but still not as many as Webflow. Which one is better for custom design? If you want a website that looks completely unique and you are ready to spend time to learning, then Webflow is better choice. You can create animations, custom layout and advanced interaction. But if you want a website that looks great without spending too much time to learning, then Squarespace is a better choice. You pick a template, change the word and image and your site is ready. Some people even use both. They make a simple Squarespace site for one project and a complex Webflow site for another. It depends on your needs, your skill and your time. So just remember, Webflow means more control and more customization. Squarespace means easier, faster and it's for beginner. Both can make beautiful websites, but your choice depends on how much design freedom you want and how much time you can spend to learning. So I hope now you understand the difference and the work system between these Webflow and Squarespace. I hope this video helped you. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.